Damn, that's one heck of a scary red. Hello there, guys. This is Phantom, and today I'm gonna show you something quite different. So, sorry for the lighting on this video. So, I have a bad lighting here on my bedroom, but I'll change that soon. I'm recently into something home automation and such. So, earlier I just bought a smart plug for my aircon and for my fan to automate it on my bedroom. So far, I love it. Eh, yeah, you don't have to turn off the aircon manually and turn the fan at the middle of the night because I'm too lazy to do that. So since I'm into that trend right now, I think I have something to show to you. Recently, one of our lights on our living room just go busted, and mom said to buy a new bulb or new light on our living room. But instead of buying some regular bulbs, she don't know that I bought these lights. So yes, I bought a smart bulb from SONOFF. So I heard this is a good company, so I think I'm fine with those. No, actually, I bought three of these. So yeah, um, I already opened one. I I already installed one on our living room, and my mom just freaked out earlier that why did light changed. then then later on she figured out I just bought a smart bulb. So yeah, nice one. So here's another two. So I installed this on our living room too later on. Let's open this. Yeah. Let's open what's packaged inside. So these are the bulbs from SONOFF. So this is the SONOFF B05, BA60. So these are apparently these are apparently 800 lumens. Here's the spec. So it's a 9-watt bulb, E27 plug. It can go with a wide range from 2700K all the way up to, come on, focus, all the way up to 6500K. Like what I said earlier, the whites are okay, but it's not as good as a regular bulb. But okay, it's good. Here's our manual. Here's the manual. And yeah, have problems? Yes, I have. I have quite a lot of problems with this bulb actually. When I try to pair, this on our Wi-Fi, so it says you need to turn on to reset the bulb. To enter it in the pairing mode. So the instructions here how to set it to pairing mode. So yeah, it says here to go 1 second on, 1 second off, 1 second on, up to 3 times. So 3 times on, 3 times off, then it should go to pairing mode. But that didn't work. So instead, I searched a bit on Google, and the one that did success on me is to just set the pair it with using compatible mode. So that's turning on and off the light for 5 times instead of three. So instead of it fading when it goes to pairing process, it just flashes. And also I also found on this bulb on these bulbs in particular from Sonoff, because I don't encounter this issue on my HomeKin plugs, but I don't think this bulb supports a hidden network, because I have this weird but very secure network on our home. So I have a dedicated Wi-Fi network just for my IoT devices, because security sake. So later on, I'll make a video you how to do that on OpenWRT. So basically, these IoT devices have their own network and they cannot access our own internal network where our own device like our phones and our computers are connected to. But instead, they have their own network and they only communicate to each other. They cannot communicate to our devices. So that's a nice way to protect yourself from hackers. But yeah, I don't think these devices support hidden SSID. So what I did is to unhide our network, unhide the IoT network, and try to connect it, and it just works. So I guess like it just works. So I guess I'll show a video on how to pair this, and what are the light cycles. So I'll try to show you the pairing process of these bulbs. Okay, be right back. Kids, don't try this at home. Never put your foot on a computer chair. Okay, this bulb never entered pairing mode, so I guess I'll pair this one. I'll show you the process on how to pair this. So open the app, quick pairing, add one device, connect to our IoT network. IoT. Okay. Okay, now let's put the bulb in pairing mode. So to do that, to do pairing mode, we need to turn it off 1 second, turn it on 1 second, turn it off again, on, off, and on, and then it should fade. So let's try this. So next, and let's go. One, one, one. Okay, now it's in pairing mode and it should pair. Let's wait. Okay, that did find the bulb. Nice. Nice. Okay, that worked. That worked. Very nice. Okay, so let's name this RG bulb 1. We'll add it here on the living room too. Okay, that works. So change colors. Nice. Brightness. Okay, that's nice too. Um, change the colors. Okay, bloody red. Okay, bloody red. Okay, that works. Yellow. Okay. Blue. Nice. And so again, I don't like the app. I don't want to control this with the e-wheeling app. So I'll use Google Home instead. So Google Home. Google Home. Let's wait it here. Okay. We'll add this to our bedroom. So let's see if automation will work. So, okay. Add to home. Yes. Move devices to bedroom. Next. Okay. Okay, let's try to command Google Home. So turn off the lights. Hey, that works.
Got it. Turning off RG bulb 1.
Turn on the bedroom light.
Sure. Turning RG bulb 1 on.
Nice, that works. Set the bedroom light to ivory white. Okay,
alright, changing RG
works.
bulb 1 to ivory.
Change call bedroom light to pink.
Sure, changing RG bulb 1 to pink.
Okay. It looks pink on the camera, but it doesn't look pink on my on my eyes. So we'll try another color. Change bedroom light to blue.
Alright, changing RG bulb 1 to blue.
Okay, that works. Change bedroom light to bloody red.
Okay,
Oh no.
changing RG bulb 1 to red.
Damn, that's one heck of a scary red. So I guess that works. So this is nice. This is a nice bulb light to have. So okay, I think that works. So we'll install this light, these other two lights. So I have another one here at the living room tomorrow, and be right back. Damn, that's scary. Oh man, it sure is dark in here. Let's turn on the light, shall we? Hey, turn on the lights!
Okay, turning on 3 lights.
Damn. So I guess that's the initial reaction for these bulbs. So from SONOFF. So at least they say the last two bulbs did pair correctly, just fine. But the first bulb I tried, I have bad experiences pairing it. But looks like that it just works. So I think that's the problem of just have. I think that's the problem I mentioned earlier for for having a hidden IoT network. So I think I'll try to hide it and see what happens next. So, but till then, there's more stuff coming. There's more stuff like this coming soon. I think, hopefully. So okay. So if you like this video, please guys like this video. If you like it, hit subscribe. So that helps me a lot. And also, thank you very much for the 3K subs. So yeah, I'm almost 4K. So let's reach that 4K goal. So I think gonna so kaya ba? Kaya ba? I think we can do it. So okay, that's all for now. So thanks guys for watching. Stay safe, stay at home, wash your hands, and that's all for now. Bye bye and adios.